Welcome to the Encore Learning Virtual Learning Tutorial Getting Started Introduction. This 6-minute video is created to assist Encore Learning members in working with Zoom conferencing technology. Zoom is easy to use and you don't need an account to join a meeting. This information may be helpful to Encore Learning classes as well as special events. The outline for this video is shown on this slide. Topics are covered with one slide for each topic, and topics are ordered by the sequence normally required for setup and participating in a session. In this video, we will go through each topic using a separate slide. Setting up your computer. Note, PC and Mac setups are the same. Setting up your smartphone or tablet. Note, Apple and Android setups are the same. Getting started with a meeting. Sound, video, and internet connection. Tool tray, chat, and then when things go wrong. Setting up your computer. A Zoom account isn't required to attend a class session. Anyone can attend a class session using their laptop or desktop, Windows or Mac, tablet, smartphone. If you haven't used Zoom before, leave about 5 minutes to set it up before your first use. For Encore classes that will be available via Zoom, you will be sent a link by the meeting organizer to launch the session, arrow 1. Click the link to get started. If for some reason it doesn't respond, copy and paste that link into your web browser. If you are planning on using a laptop or desktop, the first time you click on a link, you may be prompted to download a free, small, and secure file to launch Zoom, arrow 2. If prompted, click Yes or select Download Here to launch Zoom. Once the app is downloaded, you'll see the meeting is ready for it to start. This is a great time to set up your audio and video for Zoom, arrow 3. Do not download from other third-party providers. Download only from the Zoom website. Every week the class meets, you'll use the same link, and if you use the same machine, you won't have to download and install the app again. Opening the Zoom application without invitation. Should you happen to open the Zoom application without an invitation, the initial display will look something like this figure. To join a meeting, click the Join button, arrow 1, and you will be prompted with a separate panel to enter your meeting ID, arrow 2. This is the same interface should you want to host your own meeting, but that's a separate discussion. Setting up your smartphone or tablet. You can also download the Zoom app for phones and tablets. When you click to open a Zoom meeting invitation link from a mobile device, you may be brought to the App Store or Google Play to download the Zoom app, which will automatically open and load your meeting. On an iPhone, you will see the following display. When joining a meeting from the Zoom app, enter the meeting ID, for example, 4752755097, arrow 1, sent in the invitation email by using keypad at the bottom of the display, and you'll be connected to the meeting. By default, your audio and video will be connected, arrow 2. If you think you do not want to have audio or video during the meeting, slide buttons to the right. When you connect to the meeting, you can opt to get the audio via an internet call, or you can dial in to the meeting if a number is provided. Call in using the number provided. Once you dial in, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID. Upon entering the ID, you'll be able to join the meeting as an audio-only participant. Then select the Join button, arrow 3. Sound, video, and internet connection cautions. There are a few technical things that you can do to ensure your meeting goes well, as follows. Test the sound, microphone, and video camera using Zoom before the session starts. Use earbuds or a headset, preferably with built-in microphone, so that when your head is turned, the mic is still receiving. Using speakers can result in feedback, an echo, with unmuted mic. Use video sparingly. This reduces bandwidth demand. Ensure you have the best internet connection and minimize, by closing doors, other household noises such as grandfather clocks, screaming children. Advise house members to minimize the use of such internet demands as Netflix and gaming. Most homes with cable internet service can expect around 100 megabits per second. However, if using Wi-Fi in the house, There likely will be reduced rates depending on where you are in the house and away from the modem. To operate correctly, you should have connect speeds of greater than 1.2 megabits per second. Hosts, however, must have greater bandwidth since they are pushing a lot of audio and video to you. Using the tool tray. The tool tray will appear if you click on your screen. If the tray disappears, you may need to click or tap your screen and the tray will reappear. The tool tray is your primary means to control your participation. Once you've joined a meeting, you can use the unmute and start video buttons to turn on your microphone and video, arrow 1. You can also turn off the mic and camera with the mute and stop video buttons. To view participants, click on Manage Participants button in the center of the tool tray. This displays a listing of those who have joined the meeting to the right of your display, arrow 2. Use the chat option to open a window where you can type messages to individuals or everyone in the group, arrow 3. When things go wrong. In most cases, when things don't go as you hoped, it is likely to be a problem with your internet connection. In case of internet outage or disconnect, Zoom will notify you if your internet speed is slowed down and will generally reconnect you automatically to your session once internet connection is restored. If not, rejoin the session as you normally would through the invitation link. This concludes your orientation. You are now ready to launch Zoom, or, if not sure, replay video. It is only 6 minutes long.